Here are the results of another amazing challenge you guys did. It's a robot challenge, and in front of you can see all the entries that you send me via my email address. In case you don't see your artwork here, that means that you either didn't send me via my email address, or I had an issue with two artworks. I couldn't download it because it was not a JPEG file attached in the email. It was the link through some other website where I need to download it, like WeTransfer and one other, and I couldn't download that for some reasons. So this is the case. So please, for the next challenge, if you're participating, just attach the JPEG file and send me via my email address. All right, watch all the entries and then I will announce 3 best ones. Also, I want to say a huge thank you to Gaumon, which is a sponsor for this challenge. Gaumon is a great company that makes really good graphic tablets for artists like us, pen tablets, display tablets that are on a budget, and for that amount of money you are getting really great product. I have few of them, I use few of them, and also did a review of some of Gaumon products. I really like them. And again, I'm really thankful that they decide to be a sponsor for this video. Make sure to check Gaumon out. I will leave the website down there in the description and check out their products. So as you can see, there are more than 100 entries here, some amazing ideas. I was so thrilled to see what you guys will came up with for this challenge, and like a previous one, there were some really great ideas here. Not all of them was technically right, but I choose 3 that I think are the best among these 100 plus ideas, and I will show you now all 3 of them without any particular order. So the first one is Paul with the O, as you can see right here, and I really love the concept and idea here. The robots are chasing the dog. The dog is really cute. I love the details. This headset here, this belt here with accessories, and I love what you did with the robots. I love that you add your own flavor to the robots, change a little bit, add a little bit more details here, change the colors, and also amazing idea to use the robot heads to add more details in the background. This is really cool and adds to the mood of the story. I really love it. So well done, Paul or Paulo. Thank you for entering, and you're one of the winner of Gaumon graphic tablet S630. I will contact you via email address to give me the shipping details and so on and so forth. Okay, the second one is this one. It's really cute. I really love the idea that the baby is basically like all babies like to put something to try it with the mouth, to taste something, etc. Basically cut or chop the robot's head, and the robot is running away without head completely. I don't know if he's know where he's going, and the realization is really good. I love the trails here and how the trails go into the blur in depth of field. That's really cool because everything else in the background is a little bit blurry, out of focus. Robot is in focus, and all the details here on the robots, like it's broken practically from the baby. I really like it. So well done. And this photo is done by Borna. So again, like I said for the previous one, I will contact you via email to send me all the shipping details that I will forward to Gaumon, and Gaumon will send you the tablet. All right, and the last one, but not the least one. So this is really good photo manipulation. I really like it. There is also, this guy also sent me the process of how he did it. So breakdowns. It's, as you can see here, IG iGlow, and I really love everything here, the story, the colors, the mood, the details, and a lot of cool things here that is built in this really cool photo manipulation. And this robot is basically, this guy is like made to destroy, as you can see right here, and I'm assuming this guy is running away from this. And as you can see, he's holding something, he stole something, and he's running away. A lot of details here in the castle, in the back, the fires, and the foreground here is really cool. Also the I like how he made the depth here and the atmosphere in the photos. So everything is really, especially this robot here, I really love it. So everything is really great. And again, I will contact you via email, and we will send your details to Gaumon to send you a tablet. So thank you all guys one more time for this amazing challenge. And if you want more of these challenges, I will do it more. So make sure to follow me on YouTube or Instagram, and I will announce the next challenge, I think, pretty soon. So we'll have more fun creating these really cool concepts, really cool photo manipulation, and also this is amazing way for you guys to practice. But before I finish this video, I want to add a honorable mention for some artists. So let me show you something here. I have two artworks that I really like it, but they didn't came in the first 3 places, but I want to show you. This one is really cool, like the policeman is chasing the thief, and the thief is running away with the money, and here you can see Freedom City, he's going to the Freedom City and went from the bank, so he robbed the bank. This is amazing. It's not that technically well done, but the idea is really good. I was so laughing in this one in a positive way because it was so nice idea, great idea actually. And another idea that I really love is this one. It has so many details. So as you can see, a lot of characters here from the cartoons, and I really like it. So see the small fish, etc. We're all mad here, and you can see the owl and a lot of the fairies and magic dust, etc. The robot stole from this, I forgot how is the English word for this, but you know, the Ice Age cartoon, and this guy is always trying to bury this in something, and always some problems. The carpet from Aladdin, and you know, Beauty and the Beast, this cup, and this guy right here, and a lot of cool details. I really love this. It's like a fairy tale mood, and I just want to mention these two as honorable mentions. So again, thank you all guys for participating. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and see you next fun video. Until then, practice, experiment, and have fun. Bye bye.